This is so cute, so cute. I didn't mean to scare you there. Yeah, it's me. I know, I'm clean shaven, but it'll grow back. Anyways, I went to HomeGoods today and they have a ton of Halloween stuff. So I'm gonna share with you my HomeGoods haul and the 5 things I got for Halloween. Number 5 is gonna be an amazing surprise, so be sure to stick around for that one. But number 1 is a candy corn witch. I mean, look at this. This is how fresh this haul is. I just came back from the store. I saw 2 trends emerging for Halloween. One, witches. Because of the Wicked movie, I feel like witches are just gonna be trendy. Witches are usually trendy anyways for Halloween, but because of the Wicked movie, I feel like witches will just be even more trendy. But I also noticed another trend, candy corn. So when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. If you saw any of my other unboxings, you know that I have ghosts that look sort of similar to this, so I'm glad that I can get something in this same style. Number 2 is a candle that smells delicious. This is called Boonilla. Basically, it's a milkshake. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like a vanilla milkshake with like a spicy fall finish. I have way too many candles. We can't have any more candles, but I had to get this one. So number 3 is something my son picked out. Now I'm gonna sit him upright. And look at that, he sits up on his own. This is my filming space, by the way. And I am so proud of him. He was gravitating towards all of these mummy things. And I said, no, Liam, we need to find something that you can have. So this is plush, you know, and it's so freaking cute. So number 4, I'm putting together because they're pretty much the same thing. Cupcake containers. My wife saw these and she said, we gotta get them. See? Look at that, little witches hats. We also saw these cupcake holders, super cute. There's 50 of them, so this will at least last us, you know, 2, 3 Halloweens. I don't know. We'll see how many we actually get through. Okay, so number 5 is something my wife picked out, and she said, can I get this? And I said, absolutely, Fatima. It's giving Cowboy Carter vibes. It's a Beyonce pumpkin. I think it's a cookie jar. I don't think cookie jars are actually that great at storing cookies, but yeah, look at this. This is amazing. Real quick, I forgot to show you something. He lights up. So this was my son's pick, that was my wife's pick, and the candy corn was my pick. And if you've gone to HomeGoods recently, have you found any fun Halloween stuff? Let me know in the comments. In my Halloween storage, feel free to check out some of these videos because it's very spooky. This is so cute, so cute.